In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on Wix. If you want your visitors to click a menu item and jump smoothly to a specific section of your page, like Services or Contact Us, Wix makes that very easy with anchors. This is a great way to improve navigation, especially on longer pages, and it helps create a cleaner browsing experience for your visitors. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, go to the left-hand side and click Add Elements. From there, look for Menu and Anchor. Then choose Anchor under the In-Page Navigation section. This tool lets you create a target point on the page that your menu can link to. Now drag and drop the anchor icon to the exact top of the section you want to link to. Placement matters here, so make sure you position it at the beginning of that section, not somewhere in the middle. For example, if you want a menu item to take visitors directly to your services area, place the anchor right at the top of that section. The same idea applies if you're linking to Contact Us or any other area on the page. After placing the anchor, click on it and select Rename. Give it a clear, recognizable name so it's easy to identify later when you're connecting it to your menu. A simple name that matches the section is usually best, since it keeps everything organized and reduces confusion if you add more anchors later. Next, it's time to link that anchor to your menu. Click on your site's menu in the editor and select Manage Menu. At the bottom of the menu panel, click Add Menu Item. Wix will give you different item types to choose from, and here you'll want to select Anchor. On some menu setups, you may see Section as an option for more advanced menus. But the idea is the same. Once you've selected the item type, choose the page where your anchor is located. Then select the specific anchor from the drop-down menu and click Done. After that, rename the menu item to whatever you want visitors to see in the navigation. Make sure the label is clear and easy to understand. Since this is what people will click on when everything is set up, click Preview and test it yourself. This is the best way to confirm the menu item goes to the correct section and that the smooth scrolling works properly on your website. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the anchor position slightly for better alignment. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.